What's up? It's Tommy 2. We're back. And we're going to have a really good time. Yeah, average joke, right. So, brake disc. Got some old shagged brake pads. As you can see, they're all glazed and shagged and not very good at all, and worn unevenly, which is great. Oh yeah, I got the EG. I know I said do a video on this and I haven't done it, but that's alright, I'll do it later. 1993 EG, B series, integral brakes, the huge, non-tech, fun boy. So now that we're acquainted enough to continue, I have new brakes for this, which I actually had for my other car, but whatever, they fit. So these rears should fit, and they are sport pad range slotted, so they will disperse the heat a little bit better, because obviously this is doing a lot of track work and racing. Speaking of which, we're racing soon, which is why we're doing this. So I've got one off. I need to get the other one off. Basically the Hondas are pretty simple on the rears anyway. So caliper unbolts from the caliper holder unbolts from the back of the hub. You undo this little Phillips head thing and it pulls off. Simple. Front, you gotta undo a hub nut, but whatever. We're not at the front yet, we're at the back. So I'm gonna unwrap the other ones. Let's see some fresh rotors, boys, and make sure they do fit, because according to the measurements and the part numbers, they do fit. So with any luck, these will fit. Have some nice new pads on there, ready to do the racing, because we're all here for a good time. Damn. Alright, boys, it's the moment of truth. And we've got this one and this one. Perfect. Hell yeah. Alright, so first things first, I need to clean the rust from around this, because it's just not helpful. So I'll clean that and we'll come back with putting a rotor on. Alright, it's the moment of truth. Let's grab a rotor and stick it in, as they say. I've actually had these for ages. I've literally been working with them. So I'm a little bit excited. Make sure the two holes line up. That looks good. Hell yeah, boys. Alright, so I need my cute little screw. Check. Never sees. Check. And I'll stick that one back in. And that'll be that. This one side at least back on. I'll just put the caliper holder back in and away we go. Good times. Actually looks a lot better. Quite impressed. Now I'm pretty sure the rotation is that way, because the dimple part, or the slotted part, sorry, goes to the front, moves with the wheel, which is how that's going. I don't know, it's how it is now. So yep, 31149L for left. So sick. There's that. I'll stick the caliper holder bolts back in, never sees them, and get the new pads in. The new pads are just up here. Shout outs to Bendix for the new ones, because I don't know, this is what I bought at the time, I guess. Fun fact, most of the Civics and Integra's rear brakes match in the 90s series ones. So we're also going to rough up the edges, just so they're a bit easier to bed in, make it a bit nicer. But yeah, I'll come back when I got the pads on, I guess. Alright, we're back. So the other side's on, the other side's complete. the pistons wound back and the surface is inside cleaned. Now these little stainless steel pieces are what it slides on, so I've cleaned them up a fair bit. That'll get it going, but I believe these are still going to be tight. Okay, so they're still not super stoked on going in, right? So what you got to do is make a lead on them. So these edges here are what it slides on. So all you do is file them at a 45 on that one, this inside one, side one. So I pretty much just do it all the way around because it's easier. You take these corners off, so that way it slides. You make it a bit flatter on the top too, because the paint can throw it out. They're just a rough casting. It's part of the problem. So see how it's like an arse to get in? You want that to slide quite easily. So I'll put a lead on it and I'll come back. Alright, so as you can see, filed 45s, there's no more corners on that bad boy. So the sliding surfaces should be this one in here and this one here, because that's just the outside, but sort of just scruff it up anyway. But hopefully this just slides right in right now. Okay, so that's in. It's a bit tight, so I'll shave a bit more off the top. But it's much better than it was. It wouldn't even go in before. So as you can see, just paint on the top, shave that off some more, and that should go in. I tried to do it too much. I don't want it to be loose, but it needs to be better than that. Like butter. Much better. So that's perfect. I'll put it right together and come